Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Google Meet app on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To install Google Meet app on Windows 11 computer, go to your Google Chrome browser and open Google Meet, and then click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Here you will find an option save and share. Under save and share you will find install Google Meet. Just click on install Google Meet. A pop-up window will be opened and here you will find Google Meet logo, and by default Google Meet name is set, and you will find an button install. Click on install button, and now Google Meet has been installed on my Windows 11 computer, and you will find a Google Meet icon on your desktop, and if you wish you can pin Google Meet to your taskbar. To pin Google Meet to a taskbar, click on the yes button on the pop-up window, and now I'm going to close Google Meet. Look, Google Meet icon will be appear on desktop and also on my taskbar. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.